Hey guys, this is Logan from Seoul How are you guys doing? Recently I moved in Hapjeong, which is really close to the Han River. I was running along the Han River last night. I saw a lot of people are fishing over there. So I was like, is it legal? But then I did some research and I realized that it's actually legal to go for fishing to certain spots along the Han River. So I was like, let's go for fishing because it's really close to my place. Why not go for fishing? Are you guys with me? So I just met my friend. So we're gonna buy some fishing equipments right here. You're just going to buy lure fish set, which is like 52,000원 right here. So we're gonna go for fishing.
먼저 탑승 후 결제가 완료되었습니다.
I feel like in Han River, there's a lot of people are having a really nice, hobbies, bikes, jet skis, jogging, pretty much everything. Really healthy hobbies in Han River. I don't know how many fishes I'm gonna catch today. Hopefully catch more than 3 fishes today. Alright, so let's see how it goes. We just got to the spot, fishing spot, which is right next to this whole ham. Right there. I'm definitely a beginner for fishing. We're gonna do some casting right here. I got big lines and small lines. This is for small fish and this is for big fish. I'm just gonna use this one, tie it up. 일자가 되도록 해주시면 되겠습니다. Let's go. Let's try it. So we've been fishing for like 30 minutes so far, no result at all. (7:30), so it's been like 1.5 hours and still there's no result. Definitely not easy. Definitely not easy. 근데 던지는 것만 해도 재미는 있네요. 나 문다, 입질 온다.
얘 뭐예요 이름? 루어?
잡았다. 잡았어. 뭐야 씨.
잡을 게 없어서 그런 걸 잡아요.
아, 진짜 잡은 줄 알았는데.
잡은 줄 알았는데.
해초 잡았습니다. 해초. 나중에 대원님 먹고 싶으면 드세요.
네.
While I'm fishing, let me tell you about the spots that you can legally fishing along the Han River. I will show you the map which shows the no fishing area and then restricted fishing area. The red area, you cannot go for fishing at all. Green area, actually you can legally fish, but then there is some rules. Rule number 1, you can only have less than 3 fishing rods. Number 2, you cannot do the hulk fishing. Number 3, you cannot throw the paste baits. So there are 3 rules you have to follow. Otherwise, you have to pay fine. Basically, it's illegal. So where I am right now is around Mangwon Han, which is green area. You are allowed to go for fishing. 어떻게 좀 잘 잡혀요?
잘 안 잡힙니다.
얼마 잡았어요?
지금 뭐 얼마나 잡았어요가 있어요 지금. 뭐 잘 되고 있나요?
야, 잠깐만, 입질이 오는 것 같아요?
아닌 것 같은데. 놀라는 척 하지 마세요. 아무도 없잖아요.
지금까지 해초 2마리 잡았습니다. 해초. 여기 한 마리 있죠? 저기도 한 마리 있습니다.
해초 헌터스.
We are just gonna wrap it up because we couldn't catch any fish. I feel like it's really difficult spot, not only for us but also for all the other people around here. If anybody catch some fishes around here, I was gonna film their fishes, but nobody catch the fish over here. 어땠어요?
씁쓸합니다. So sad.
So sad. Hopefully next time I come back here, I'll catch some fishes. So we're just gonna wrap it up and then go for dinner. Funny and sad enough, we came to have a hue. Let's go.